Guys, it's Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 3/22 to 3/28. This month is almost out, guys. Now, let's start exactly with the Slam Dunk Savings of the sodas. They are 3 for $12. Again, I don't gatekeep. If you go to Walgreens starting Sunday, Pepsi Cola is going to be buy two, get two, all right? And then you have the 3 for $11 Coca-Cola in the bottles. Hopefully, we'll get a coupon. Now, we do have the buy one, get one 50% off on the Fritos and the Cheetos. Guys, if you hurry today, Saturday, you can still get buy two, get two Fritos and Cheetos, okay? So, don't let this buy one, get one 50% off fool you. Now, look what's back, guys. The 4 for $12 gain is back. Hopefully, with some people will have like those $1.15 or $1 in some coupons. And then you can lower that price, but that's still a good deal. It still makes them $3 each. Now, included in that is Gain, All. Oh, look, guys, this is a new one. Included in that is the Gain, the All, Ariel, Bounce, Downy, Draft, and the Tide. Is that true? Okay, guys, if so, that's an awesome deal. Okay, now you can go right here to the... Now, also, guys, is the buy 15, save 3. You know, this deal goes back and forth. Sometimes it's buy 15, save 5, which I think is this week's deal, Saturday. So they have $1.50 off. Now, these are the alls included. So now they're trying to give us the all and the Purex and but I think it's the all that they're paying attention to. So that might make out for a good deal if they gave us some good coupons. Now we have the $2 off on the Arm & Hammer. Hopefully it is not a DG coupon. If so, hopefully they gave us a manufacturer with it. 2 for $11 on the Cascade, and then save 50 cents on the True Essentials. Now, when it was $4, that's a good deal. If they can't lower it no farther than that, then I really wouldn't mess. I would hold off on that. The Dr. Pepper is 3 for $16. Then you have the $6.50 on the Maxwell House, 3 for $9 on a large size of the General Mills cereal, which I think we have a $1 coupon or it might be expiring. Now, if you did not get the Cottonelle this week, Saturday, then this is the next deal, $4.75. They gave you 25% off, which is not really a good deal. Easter is coming up, guys, so make sure if you're buying any candies or sweets for the kids, grab them at places they're on sale at. Do not be loyal to a store that's not going to be loyal to you. And here you go now, more Easter candy. You got the spend 9, save 2. Over here, okay, the treats, the Rice Krispie treats, you could do that. You could make one for under $4. Oh, that's a good price for the all-purpose flour, $1.35. One is the sugar the same. Now, over here, guys, let's look at the food, which they, last day, 2 for $9 on the Gatorades. That's actually a good deal. They do have them buy one, get one free ending today. And then they have the Clover Valley pickles for $2, cheese for $2.50. The 4 for $5 on the Lances. And hopefully, if they're going to give you these for $4, you can use that 3 off of 9 Nabisco. And then we have the plates, 3 for $5. Deals on the plates, guys. Kind of hold off because I heard they was going to be back on the clearance sale again. Now, these are the cafes are 2 for $12. The pieces 2 for $10. Look at that. The sticks are back to $1.25. And I believe they are 4 for $10 right now, so pick whichever one is the good deal. Now, over here, Purex, they have us a $2 coupon. You know, that's included. See if that's included in that spend 15, get 3. 2 for $5 on the Palmolive, $3 on the Finish, so that coupon should be for $2. Then we have the $10, $2 off on all the Swiffers, $8 on the Swiffer mops. Oh, Mr. Clean, that bucket is $22. If you guys could hold off during Christmas, you can grab that bucket for $15 like I did, and I done did it 3 years in a row. So you have to spend 15, save 3 on the brands right here, which I like to grab cleaning deals when they're on sale. The 2 for $10.50 on the Glade is good. Then we also have a, oh look, they gave us $2 off glass on that Glade Smile Room again. That's a great deal. Hopefully they'll also give us a cash back. Then if you still have that Airwick coupon for $4, now this one is the Airwick Essential Oils. Then you still have that one for the Airwick Essential Mist refills. That's for Lysol, $1 off. I wish they'd get better on that. 2 for $16 on any other Gain or Downy products. They did give us $2 on Downy, Gain, and Tide. The rinses, $3 off on the Gain, Downy, and Downy rinse and fabric softener. Down. $4 off on the fabric care. That's a good deal. That $1 off on the Cascade, making it $3. If you didn't get it, you still should have 2 coupons, I believe. They gave us $2 off on the Mr. Clean. Then these are 2 for $10 always. Then they gave us a $2 digital coupon. Hopefully they also give us an instant that made those 2 for like $6.50, guys. That was a great deal. Diapers are on sale and wipes. Then they have the pet food 2 for $5. Don't forget, guys, today also is the last day to get your cat litter. Buy one, get one free. Then the laundry baskets, comfort bays are buy one, get one 50%. Now, guys, don't forget, I hope you guys got to grab that deal when they will buy one, get one free. Laundry baskets and totes are $5 and $10. And then you have the blooming savings over here. The seeds are 2 for $1. If you have a Menards, they're 10 cents or 9 once you do the rebate. And then you have the pottery seed pottery starting kits at $5 and seeds start the potty mix at $6. Sorry guys, I'm getting twisted up over here. Then you do have deals on their Mucinex, buy one get one, 50% off on their vitamins. Right here, guys, is where you look at the good deals at. Now here is $2 off on the Dove, 4 for $2, give $4 off on the soft soap. When you get to buy 2, then they separate the Irish Spring. Oh my God, they sure did. Okay, guys, that's a good deal. Be looking out. Now, usually this coupon a glitch. So it's been glitching on us. Hopefully it will glitch again. They gave us a 3 off 2 on the Colgate. I have not been getting good Colgate deals. And then the $1 off on the Crest. Then down here you do have the makeups down here that is also on. Okay, 3 for $13 on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew, 2 for $10 on the Red Barons, 2 for $6 on the Lay's and the Doritos. I probably would hold off on that if it's not a good deal. They're going to start having a lot of ice cream deals. Again, no gatekeeping. Go to Walgreens today. It will be the end. It's buy one, get one free on some of the foods and the ice creams at Walgreens. $3 off on Tide. $1 off on the Sherman Essentials. Check that $1 against that 1 roll in the dollar aisle. You might get that for free. Then look, the Scott tissue is $3. That's the 6 roll. You remember, guys, it's usually $2.50. That's inflation. That's what they showing us. 2 for $9 on the Viva. Then we have the Railback batteries for $3. Their True Living trash bags are $4, and I am not brand loyal, so I will grab those. Guys, what is early activation? Early activation is anything that a coupon is not attached to on Saturday, plus your 5 off 25 included with your new ad. That is what early activation is. You have a couple of deals in here you could do early activation on, especially if your coupon is expiring for that General Mills, guys. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will go. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.